Hey gardeners, how is the garden growing? In today's video, we have a planting day. Now this is super exciting because this project has been something I've been anticipating for some time now, and that is the remodeling and renovation of my front yard. I've been wanting to redo it for a little bit now because it is looking more on the sadder and simpler side. So little by little, we're gonna start transforming it. Starting today, we're actually going to add a magnolia tree to the front as well as 4 jasmine bushes. So let me go ahead and show you these fun plants. So here is the magnolia. So it's a pretty decent size. Now this is a little gem magnolia, which is the Magnolia grandiflora. So I actually went through and purchased this magnolia at Lowe's this morning and it was only $73. Now I know $73 can be a little bit overwhelming for a flowering tree. However, for a magnolia, that's actually a pretty decent price. Especially taking into consideration its size as well as it's in a 7-gallon container. Now, in regards to the jasmine, this is what the flower looks like. These are actually a pretty decent size, and they were only $11, so they were definitely ones I wanted to add into the front yard. Now, I don't know about you gardeners, but I really like the smell of jasmine, so having this in the front yard when you walk in is definitely going to be such a fun element into the front yard. So let me go ahead and show you where I'm planning to add these plants. So here we are in the front yard. So I want to add the 2 Arabian jasmines. I want to add 2 here and mirror the same thing over here. 2 on this side as well. So they could fill in the back portion nicely and we can leave the front for seasonal annuals. And as for the magnolia, I'm going to go ahead and plant it right here in the middle. We have 2 hibiscus trees here as well as a ground orchid, which I'm still trying to debate whether to keep them or to take them out. Now, they're actually rebounding right now from a good cutback that we just did on them, and so they're actually blooming and performing quite good. However, to be sincere, they're definitely not in the picture I want for the front yard, as I want more of a formal, elegant, kind of cottage-style garden, not so much on the tropical side. But nonetheless, these trees are definitely really beautiful as they're multicolored. Just look at this beauty. Now that does mean I have to take this rose bush out, which is a double knockout pink rose. Now the knockout varieties or series do really well here in South Florida. However, it's definitely not a centerpiece or a main structure in a landscape. So let me go ahead and plant the Arabian jasmine first, and then we're going to leave the magnolia to last. So make sure to stay tuned. Now I went through and I planted both the jasmine and the magnolia in the ground and gave them a good drink of water. And this is really important because when it comes down to newly transplanted plants, they have to be well hydrated in order for them to start establishing into their new home. So here is the first 2 jasmine that I planted. I could definitely tell already that this is going to be very pretty up here. Now the second one is over here. This is 3 and 4 right here. Plants 3 and 4. I can't wait to see how this little area starts developing soon and having these jasmines start growing and filling up this area nicely. And something you might remember when I started YouTube many years ago, I used to do videos planting up these areas with seasonal annuals, and usually it would just be impatiens or vinca, depending on what my dad wanted in this area. But I decided to switch it up a little bit and decided to go ahead and add some type of permanent structure finally, in this case, which is the jasmine, and then have the seasonal annuals growing in front of it so it could kind of have that 3 elements in the landscape that's needed. A tree, which is the podocarpus, a shrub, which is a jasmine, and then your seasonal annuals. Now, of course, these are smaller little tiny islands that are in the front of my house. However, it is still very much a a needed design in the front yard. So this is how it's gonna look. Now, this is what's the predicament here. I don't know if I want to keep these two structures here because the Magnolia in the middle will be playing as our main structure here. This entire area is gonna be remodeled and more plants will be added. But nevertheless, this is definitely going to be a fun addition to the front yard. Other than that, that is pretty much it for today's video, you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to start remodeling and renovating this entire front yard. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, everyone.